Good evening, my beauties, and how are you tonight? I'm really excited because one of my favorite boxes came in today, and that is the Confetti Collection box. It is so big. Look at this. Ooh. This is one of my favorite unboxings. As everybody knows, I'm a writer, and this is usually journalistic type products, paper products, different things that would be nice for anybody who is a writer like me, or a journal, likes to do journals or anything like that, any kind of writing. And usually there's fun stuff in there for kids, or you know, things like that. So this is my favorite box, and I'm super excited to get into this. So let's get in there, shall we? And as usual, we always start off with our nice pink, with our bubble wrap and pink paper underneath. That's always oh, this is such a big box. And then we have to untape that, untape the bubble wrap, and then undo our pink tissue paper, and it's always packaged. Oh, they do the best job packaging. It's just amazing because it's all in one. Look at this. I tell you, there's none better. And I can put the box aside. And then I've got everything right here in this package. And the card says summer surprise. Send your sweet friends a little surprise this summer. Drop off a fun gift or send them a note to let them know you're thinking about them. We'd love to see your unboxing videos and photos. Thank you from the entire Confetti Collection team. All right, so let's see what fun things they have in store for summer. Confetti Collection. Ooh, if I can get it open. You know, I have a feeling that there's a pen in there, and that's funny because when I was telling you about it being, you know, good for writers and stuff, in my head I thought, oh, would it be cool if there was a really nice pen in there? That really would be. And then I think I see a pen. But the first thing I'm going to pull out, because it's right here, is a purse. It's a sparkly purse. They always have some sort of sparkly purse, or some sort of purse that fits the theme every month. Oh, there's something inside it. Oh, what is this? Oh, wow. It looks like a little health kit. It's got Band-Aids. Looks like it even has hair ties. Is that hair ties? Interesting little kit that they sent with it. It's got all kinds of little things in there. There's bobby pins, and I think those are hair ties, and a nail file, and Band-Aids. So, well, that's interesting. That can go in the glove box of my car. Those are things you can always use. And that was inside this cute little purse. It's probably meant to go in there. I usually always give these to my friend's daughter. She loves these things. So thank you, Confetti Collections, for always giving me a gift for my friend's daughter, because I don't have kids. So my animals are my kids. Emergency kit. Okay, high heel protectors, 5 bobby pins, 4 pieces of double stick tape, 2 hair bands, 4 earring backs, emery board, 3 safety pins, and 3 Band-Aids. Some of those I can use, and some not. Doesn't that looks like a pen? Does that look like a pen? That looks like a pen. Looks like a pineapple on the top. They did a pineapple theme last time. Should have put that in there. Oh, yep, it's a pen. I was right. Look at that. That is so weird how I thought of that. I'd never thought of that before. It's a pineapple pen. It's a gold pineapple pen. Cool. That is really cool. I like pens. I collect them. I have way too many pens, but I collect them, so I love them. Next, something in a box. Let's see what's in the box. Open sesame. Oh, looks like another ceramic trinket jar. We got one of those a couple of boxes ago. This one, it said, the other one said wish on it, and I keep stuff in it. And this one says keep on top. It's orange on the inside. The other one had little paper daisies in it. This one doesn't have anything in it, but it's still very pretty. There you go. And it says keep. I like that. Good. My desk is going to be covered in little keepsake boxes. It's a card. You're so sweet. It's a card. Thank you for all that you do. And it's got an envelope that comes with it. Oh, and the inside message is thank you for all that you do. X&O paper goods. I will save this because I'm sure at one point I am going to have a need for this. Battery operated light up marquee sign. Oh, okay. Yeah. Oh, I can use this. Oh, and it lights up. Oh my gosh. I always wanted one of these. Wow. And it lights up. I have to put batteries in it, but it lights up and it's got the letters in here so I can put whatever I want on here and it'll light up. Oh, wow. That's amazing. Oh, that is definitely going to go on my wall so everybody can see it when I do my videos. Awesome. That is wonderful. Oh, I really like that. I've seen other people have them and I was always like, I would want one of those. What else have we got? See what I mean? This is the box that just keeps on giving. Oh. It's a bag. Yay. It says yay, and it's got like graffiti. Oh, it's falling out. It's got confetti in it. It's a little bag. Yay. You never know when you're going to need a gift bag that says yay and it has confetti in it. Okay, what else have we got here? Another card. I love you more than pizza. That's cute. And the inside says, and I really love pizza. There's another saver. Another gift bag. A lot of gift bags in here. It's a kitty cat. I love kitties. Everybody knows how much I love kitties. It's a black kitty cat. It's a gift bag. Isn't that adorable? And this is the last thing in here. Another card. Put on your dancing shoes and let's boogie. How neat. It's always got all these and let's boogie. And the inside message says, have a spooky Halloween. Well, I guess I know when I have to use this. Don't know why. It's summer right now, so we're not thinking about Halloween. In any event, that is the Confetti Collection, and I hope you enjoyed that. Whew, that one's a big one. But it is a lot of fun. So, and my favorite thing of all, of course, is the pen. Pretty gold pen. something to write with. I'm always taking notes. I'm always thinking of things for my books and whatever, and going, I need a pen. I need a pen. Okay. Always got a pen. So that's wonderful. I hope you enjoyed it. I know I did. Well, you have a wonderful, fabulous day, and you take good care of yourself. Okay? I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.